step into the Nissan 2013 Altima 2.5 SL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Enjoy these notable features: Super Black, J1, 2.5 moonroof package, beige leather seat trim included, wood tone accents, U2, technology package included, navigation system with 7-color advanced drive assist display, turn-by-turn navigation, steering wheel navigation controls, nav traffic, nav weather, Google local search and send to car, blind spot warning, moving object detection, lane departure warning, keyless start, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes and aluminum wheels. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.